stroppy with she's getting stroppy with the shark because I think she thinks it's food.
Are you smiling now? If you could have just heard her screaming. Penny. Penny, can you say hiya? Say hiya, I'm on my holidays. Hiya. Hiya. She looks like a little flower with a crown.
Well, guess what? She is a flower.
Is she?
Yeah.
Show me, go down there a bit so you don't splash Penny. Show me how brave you are at jumping in.
These on.
You don't?
Yeah.
You don't? You're right here. You're fine in this bit.
You okay?
Yeah, just do it down there a little bit though so don't splash Penny because she's... No, don't run. Well done. This is what she's doing. Hey, Penny. Penny, have you found your voice? Have you found your voice, little lady?
I'm gonna go. I'm doing some exercise now.
Wow, that's good exercising. Penny, do you want a bottle? To make her a bottle. Have some milk. Milky? Yeah. Oh, you've got. Oh, what's that? Ta? Can Mummy have it? Ta? Mummy have it? No? Okay, all right. Okay. Okay. So I'm just doing Penny a bottle, and this is how, I know I mentioned it yesterday, but I'm just using this so I can save the pre-made milk because there's been a bit of a nightmare with our flight, so I want to keep those in case we're delayed. But all I do is I've got bottled water in the kettle that I'm boiling, and I'll do about 3 ounces of boiling water and then top it up with bottled water. So we've got a little fridge here, and there's no water in there. That's brilliant. I'll have to get it from under the buggy. Yeah, so as I was saying, I'll just put some boiling water in just to sterilise this milk, and then fill the rest up with room temperature. And look who's back from swimming. What's this? Is that what you want? Is that what you want, darling? Oh, is that nice? Some milks. And some more? So she'll probably get home for her nap after this. Lay down, darling. And then, yeah, we'll just go and sunbathe on the terrace while she has a sleep. And I think she started crawling. Not properly, but she definitely has been moving around. Haven't you? Mummy is not ready for this. And Mummy is not ready for the Penny to be crawling. Hiya. Hiya. Milk break. Oh dear. Oh dear. Put those legs down, Cheeky Bum. Yes. Is that Penny Lulu's? Yes, it's Penny Lulu's. Milky now? Come on, you have your milky. Why don't you lay back on Mama? No. She's not very tolerant. Who's up from their nap? Oh, Penelope Lulu's. Are we going to go get some lunch? Right, so Ollie, step away, step away. So that's what she started doing anytime Ollie goes. No, wait. Anytime Ollie goes near her, right, go up to her. Step away. Right, step away now. Is Bruv annoying you? No, out of her face. Hiya. Can you say hiya? Can I get the camera then? Oh, you took the sewing machine on. Wow, that's loud. Come on then. Look, she's moving, Tom.
Hello.
Come on then.
Going.
Come on then. Come on. Oh.
Need some help?
You nearly got it.
Come on.
Hello.
I get some help. Okay?
Hello. Hiya. Hiya.
Hello, Benny. Now say hiya to me.
When the streams are getting strong, just hold on to me, yeah. I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun against your dark clouds. I will always be your guiding light. I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun against your dark clouds.
Hiya. Hey, we're just having a chill out, aren't we, on the terrace? Yes, that is Ollie, you can hear. So that is my brother. He's being noisy, isn't he? We've been to the beach, haven't we? And you slept. You did, yeah. Where's Daddy? Say hiya, Daddy. Hiya. Hiya. You saying hiya? I'm just gonna put Penny, come. Say hiya. Hiya. You wanna come out? Come on then. Come on then. Who's that? Is that Penny? Tell everyone about your day. So I've had a lovely day today, haven't I? You good girl. What are you doing, Lulus? Hiya! Penny, can you say hiya? Oh! That was a bit violent. You're after all the shoes, aren't you? Let's see, she will go up, but she's not quite mastered the complete crawl yet, but any day now. That's Mummy's. Yeah, that's Mummy's. That's Mummy's. Careful. Ollie. 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 Are you doing, is he doing a nervous giggle? That was a bit of a nervous giggle. Did you hear him?
No.
Ollie. What's this? You're gonna go get a braid in your hair tonight. We're gonna walk into the centre and get a braid in our hair tonight.
Yeah.
You need to wash your hair again, don't you? Yeah. Yeah? You getting out in a minute?
Time.
I don't know, because my phone battery is flat.
Mine.
Can you check what time it is?
Okay.
Hi guys. Dad, do this again. Dad, do this again. Oh, 1, oh, 2, oh, 3. Daddy.
Oh, I missed that. That was high. Darcy, watch. No one's behind you, please. Be careful. No one's behind you when that flies back up.
Oh,
Penny, hiya! Hiya! Penny, hiya! Hiya! Is she ripping your hair out? Is she ripping your hair? Penny! Penny! Hiya! Hello! What are you doing? Oh my goodness me! So we tend to bring our hair every afternoon because it's just outside of our room. Hiya! 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 Hiya, Noonies! Shall we get you some toys? You don't have to play with actual flip-flops. We'll get some of your toys, yeah? Ready? Hiya! Who's that? Oh my goodness, are you gonna go get the camera? She's after my camera. Back on your legs. Back on your legs, Lulu. Okay, you should get it. You tried your best to crawl and get that, didn't you?
Honey, come get this. Honey. Honey, look.
Ollie, should you run the braid in your hair?
No. Honey, come get it.
That's what he had done this morning. Darcy's gone as well. I'll show you her. She's in the room. Oh, you're going to come to this one, are you? Come on then. Come on then. See, she's just dragging that back leg. Good girl! No biting it though. No, no, no. No biting. Hey, good morning. Oh, Ollie, let me show your braid a minute, because you can see it better. Oh, not focusing. So cool. You got so much gold in it. Oh, sorry. It's not on you. I'm so sorry. No, no, no. She wants some space. Ollie, she wants some space. Say thank you. Give me some space, bruv, bruv.
Hey Ollie, do you want to ready today?
Oh, yes, Spider-Man. What are we doing this morning, Ollie?
Going to the beach.
Are you coming to the beach? Penelope, are you coming to the beach?
You want to wear the sunsuit, yeah?
Ollie, give her some space, please, darling. She likes to... Now she can move around, but she wants a little bit of space, don't you? See, I'd like some space, please. Oh, you're going to come to Mummy, are you? Yeah, they're cool. You want one now? Or what about the Abercrombie ones? No, I think wear these on the beach. Do you reckon?
Mummy should come to you.
You come to Mummy. Oh, you still got chocolate on your face, baby. Don't shut off. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, say don't do that. Who's this? Say hi, everyone. Say hi. Can you see her smiling? Right, Ollie, please get off her feet.
Penny.
Say hello.
Penny.
You're looking in the screen.
Penny.
Oh.
Penny. Penny.
You have to. You just want to do vlogging as well. She's going to be a pro vlogger by the time she's 5.
Penny.
Yeah. Yes, brother.
Penny, look.
She don't want that.
Penny. Penny. Penny, look. Look at me. Penny's longer down, are they?
She'll do it in a minute, Ollie. Oh, you okay? You're not okay?
I'm okay.
You're okay?
Yeah.
He's got his equipment for the beach. No? Are you going to build sandcastles?
What's your biggest one?
Are you going to go swimming with the fish? What are you doing? Okay then. What is that, Ollie language? Penelope! Oh, there she is! She's a little... This is their face. It's the camera, baby.
Hey guys. I have no clue if you can see them or not because it's pretty bright. But there's definitely... Hey. Somewhere around there. I think they like the rocks. I have no clue if you can see that, but it's really cute.
Hey everybody, so today's actually our last day. Excuse me. Them right in front of you there. Yeah, we're flying home like really late tonight. Our flight is actually at 5 minutes past 2 in the morning. Cypriot time. So yeah, we've actually just paid to keep our room until 6 PM because otherwise checkout is at 11 AM. And yeah, it wouldn't work. Like, so we need to sterilise Penny's bottles. Yeah, and it would just be chaos. If it was just me and Tom, it'd be fine. But with the 3 kids, we've had to pay. So that was €90. So then we've got to be out of our room at 6. So they've then given us a courtesy room for 45 minutes at 8 PM. So if we stay at the pool longer, we can use that to shower, or we could just come in at about 5, shower, leave our room, and then just have to hang around reception until we're picked up. So I think we're being picked up at about 11 PM tonight. So yeah, it's going to be a long day, but the good thing is we get the whole of the last day, if that makes sense. Even though it's, yeah, so we're just about to go. Oh, I think that's Nanny Cake who never has. Yeah, me and Darcy are going to go out to the pool. Excuse the state of the room. Ollie is just chilling. Daddy has taken Penny on a little walk to get her to sleep. So we're just mid packing everything. So those inflatables were actually here when we got here, with the exception of the ring. We're leaving that. And the other inflatables we'll just leave down by the pool for other people to use. And then a lot of this here is skincare, so I can't pack that until later. But yeah, we're making a bit of headway. So what I've done is this case here is literally full of clothes that we didn't, or that are clean, and then this one here is full of dirty clothes. So as soon as I get home, that can go straight in the utility and I can get a wash load on. And the weather looks fantastic at home, albeit we'll probably be moaning about it. It's just never the same as it when you're at home. But yeah, so I'm hoping I can get it all dry. But yeah, I'll just film bits and pieces on our last day. I don't think we're straying too far from the sunbeds today. We were going to head down to the beach, but it's got a bit late now, and it gets really, really busy, because it's not a beach just for this hotel. It's actually like a public beach, so it gets really, really busy because it is beautiful. So what we've been doing the last couple of days is going down first thing in the morning, because then it's not too crazy, like trying to get, because we do need to take the buggy down. So that's a mission in itself. But yeah, I just wanted to come on and say hello. This very well might be the ending of the vlog, so if it is, I hope you've enjoyed watching, and we'll include some more snippets now from our last day in Cyprus. 10 marks out of 10. What you think about your holiday?
10.
10?
Well, actually 9.
Why 9?
Because I've literally cut all of my feet open.
Oh yeah, I've cut, I think I've broken this toe here. I'm not going to get too close, but the one next to my baby toe, can you see how swollen it is? And I can barely walk. Ollie, marks out of 10 for your holiday.
100,000 billion trillion.
It's been that good, has it?
Yeah.
Yeah? So yeah, we're gonna head out to the pool now, and then we'll check back in with you in a little bit. Darcy's decided she's not cold anymore. So airport attire. I'm gonna stand here a minute and just go down this path a minute, babe. The sea's a bit choppy at the moment because it was a bit windy this afternoon. It wasn't this choppy earlier. Still amazing though. Like, look at that.
Can I take them down?
No, I know. Oh, I'm gonna miss this.
Can I take them down?
No, babe.
Can I do that?
We wanted to watch the sunset, but it sets over there, so we can't see it because the hotel's in the way.
I will always be your guiding light. I know you're strong.